Hello for everyone. How we can download Python last version? Firstly, go to the official website, and after that, click here. Okay, just wait and run. Use admin at this one and develop. Okay, just wait a second, few minutes. Now it's downloaded successfully. Install it. Close. Go here. Go username. And click App Data, Local, Programs, and after that, Python is successfully through the time. Click OK, come down and command line, Python version. Now is successfully installed, and please check the environment. Is very important because the path added or not here. Okay, click is added successfully. For controlling and also here launcher Python 3 and script. Okay, and here also I want to add click here, this one, copy, click new. Okay, again move up, and after that this one, copy, click new here, move up to be sure, and after that launcher, click new, move up, okay, and click script. Also you can like this scripts, copy the path, click new, this also good and move up, all of them is okay, click OK, and now should open the VS Code, click open folder and come down, find your Python 13, and here click folder, here py. Okay, right now print load and this works successfully. Just to F5 to run it, Python debugger, Python file, just wait, close. Yeah, now it's worked successfully. Also, you can to check sounds equal um, 10 plus 4 combined, which is sound equal source. And also you can run from here, run without debugging. Just wait, doesn't come, and then debug. I think it's not working. No, run, start debugging. Close the terminal again, run without debugging, and it works successfully. If you want to show the Python is installed through and work without any problem, firstly install any library like this. If you don't get error, that means your Python version is works successfully and Python is installed truly. Just wait. Okay. Yeah, you don't get any error. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great time.